This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
What we're going, once we hit in here, the next step after this, guys, I want you to take the blade side of your hand, ball your fist up like a hammer fist, right? So we've made the initial blocking or two blocking movement, right? The next thing I want to do is starting at the head, the collarbone, or the chest. So we're going to block, bang. Guys, this hurts. And if you catch a guy on top of the head, it hurts. You catch him on the nose, it hurts. So you're blocking, you're stripping, and you're hitting all at the same time, just in case he may have had a weapon in his hands. All right, so here's the drill. I'm going to do just the opposite. All right, I'm going to kind of move in for Roger and just kind of slowly show you. I'm going to come in and want to punch. He's going to hit his crash position, and he's going to throw an elbow out, and he's going to drop a hammer fist. You know, kind of slow at first, right? So I'm coming in here, punching, and he drops a hammer fist. He can very easily break a collarbone, very easily. And then, Roger, I want you to change sides with me real quick. All right, from here, I want to do the exact same thing. We punch, that hurts. He strips and hits, bam. And remember, if it's a real person, you start at the top of the head and bring it down. You're pulling through the elbow because he's actually getting inside of that arm and he's creating some pain. And if I was trying to punch again, I have to try to reach around. But he's already hit me like 3 times in less than a second. A little bit easier, a little quicker. Watch, just real smooth, right? I throw the punch. Guys, this hurts.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Same training drill. I go here and he drops. Strips and bangs. Remember, that hammer fist can go from the forehead, if your opponent was to start leaning backwards, nose, chest, or if it's off to the side just a little bit, collarbone. So it's going to be 2 block, bang. I love to break a collarbone. Fellas, let me tell you something. It doesn't take much. If he starts to bull rush me, boom, to get inside and drop on that collarbone. To break a collarbone is one of the easier bones in the body to break. It creates a lot of pain once they start moving. So, and remember, what we want to do is to disrupt the idea that this guy's just going to walk into my house, my yard, my space, and take my money, my life, whatever it is he wants. We're not going to let that happen, right? So we're going to 2 block him right out of it, bang. Then we're going to strip and bang. So it's bang, strip, and hit. Focus more on the hitting than the stripping, guys. So it's hit, hammer fist, right. Hit, hammer fist. He's killing me. All right, same here. Hit and hit. Hit and break. Hit and break. Good.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.